Hello, my name is Lacey Donnelly, and this is my lab presentation over gravity filtration. Gravity filtration is basically just a process of separating a liquid from a solid. Chemists use this to separate precipitate from a liquid that they need to test, or to remove some kind of precipitate, and it allows a somewhat mostly clean substance to be produced or remove unwanted liquid that is in the solid. It's very common in water purification and gas purification, and it takes a little bit longer than other processes like decantations, but it has less impurities than the technique of decantation, because decantation leaves more sediment and impurities in the liquid. This is how you do gravity filtration. So the things you will need are filter paper, a funnel, and an Erlenmeyer flask. It looks like one of the cone ones. And so you're first going to fold your paper into a cone using these steps. You're going to fold it in half and fold it in half again, and then one more time, and you should be able to circle it around to make a cone. And then you're going to put it inside of the funnel that you have on top of the flask. Then you're going to pour your liquid, your impurified liquid, into the funnel through the flask, and the water or liquid is going to go into the flask, and the solid is going to remain inside of the filter paper. And when you want to clean this stuff up, you can dispose of liquids down the drain with running water, and any solids can go in the trash can unless, you're told otherwise. But yes. So the pros and cons of filtration is that it works better than other filtration processes, like I mentioned, decantation, which only partly separates solids from liquids and leaves more impurities than a longer process like filtration does. It just makes it more effective and can separate it in a better way. And when mixtures cannot even be decanted, like they're too stuck together to be decanted, the alternative is to use gravity filtration because it can separate liquids from solids more efficiently. And yep, that's about it. Decantation and filtration are similar processes, but filtration allows chemists to have a better substance if they're trying to work with one of the substances in the mixture in specific, and it helps them to be able to test things like that.